Welcome. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide to optimize your Windows 11 for gaming. Alright, first up, go to your search bar and type in startup. Alright, once the startup apps pops up, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and turn off everything right here. Alright, now once that's done, right click on a blank space right here on your screen, go to display. Now in here, scroll down, all the way down until you find graphics. Alright, click on graphics. Now make sure that optimization for windowed games is enabled. Now advanced graphic settings, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Now go back, scroll down, and go to advanced display. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the drop down and make sure that the highest refresh rate is selected. All right, once that's done, close it. Now go to search bar again and type in game mode right here. Click this one, which is turn on game mode. Click it, make sure that game mode is on. All right. Once that's done, go to the left pane, use the search bar and type in game bar. Right here, game bar is available. Just go ahead and click on it. Now make sure that it is turned off. After that, if you're using NVIDIA graphics card, go ahead and right click on the icon right here at the taskbar and go ahead and open control panel or NVIDIA control panel. All right. In here, just go ahead and go to adjust image settings with preview. All right. You can either choose let the 3D application decide, click on this, or use my preference, which is all the way to performance. All right, once that's done, just hit on apply. Now the next thing would be is to disable any overlay. It could be Discord or Steam. Now for Discord, open up Discord. Now go ahead over to settings, user settings in the cogwheel. Now go ahead and go to game overlay, which is under activity settings. Click on it. Now make sure that this is turned off. Once done on Steam, we're going to want to open up Steam. Go to the top left and click on Steam. Go to settings. On here, head over to in-game, which is right here. Click on it and make sure that this is disabled as well. All right, once done, in the search bar, type in defrag. As you can see here, defragment and optimize drives. Click on it. Just go ahead and select your OS drive or where your operating system is installed. All right, highlight it and hit on optimize. Wait for it to finish. Close this one and go ahead and type in the search bar again. Disk cleanup. Right here, click on it. Select C, hit OK. Now in here, you're going to want to select the unnecessary folders or files that you wanted to delete. Once done, just go ahead and click on clean up the system files. After that, close this one and basically just restart the computer and enjoy gaming. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.